quality, integrity, knowledge. That's who we are, it's what we do, because we want it right. We want it right because I'm the guy that has to sleep at night and know it was done right. I started our company in 2009. At that point, it was just me and my wife, and shortly after that, my oldest son came on board. We began to grow the business one roof at a time.
I would have never in my life thought I was going to be a roofer. That changed pretty quickly once I tried it out with Scott. I was 17 when I first started roofing, 18 before I could actually get on roofs. So the first 6 months of that was really just me riding around with Scott, learning from him.
I started working when I was 15 and I had a learner's permit. And I would drive my dad from meeting to meeting. That's kind of how I started learning how to trace leaks and interact with people, really.
Each year we seem to grow and grow and grow, and so things have changed.
We've never been in business to be the biggest. We want to be the best. Roofers can get away with a lot if you wanted to. Most homeowners are not going to go up on the roof and check what work was done, and we've done a really good job of hiring people with high integrity. I don't want a slick salesman working for us. I want somebody who's going to be honest and have integrity and do what's right for the customer when nobody's looking.
We're not there to gouge them. We're not there to just collect dollars. We're there to help folks. That was our mantra from the very beginning.
I like the idea of actually teaching people what we can do for them and running our company on faith.
We probably get more referrals for named referrals than we do company referrals. Instead of call Christian Brothers, well, call Daniel at Christian Brothers, or call Dion at Christian Brothers, or Kevin or Colby or whoever. And I love that. That means they're out there really taking care of each and every customer, and we get a lot of joy from that.
I've never worked at a company that felt like it was such a unified team. It's really nice to wake up and know that you're not just alone in your job. You have an entire team of people that are willing to help.
We all share the same values, and that's at the core of our business. It's the core of our life.
It's refreshing to know that when I leave somebody's house, they're in a better situation than when I got there.
My goal would be that when Mandy and I retire, our kids take over the business and just keep things moving. They get it. You know, I can see it through their actions. I can see it in the way they talk about their interactions with their customers. And it's just truly caring for and valuing other people.
I'd say I have big shoes to fill. I think to keep it in the family and run it in the same way that Scott has is important for our customers and for our staff.